Hey guys, thanks for stopping by Salt, Pepper, and Fire, where we smoke meat, fly drones, and do all things neat. Stick around and we'll get into this smoked queso. So it is college football Saturday, and who doesn't like a good cheese dip? And I guess the only way you can make cheese dip better is you put a little bit of smoke on it. So we're gonna do that. Let me gather up the ingredients and we'll put them in the pan and get them ready for the smoker. Then we'll get the smoker fired up and we'll go from there. So for our beef in the cheese dip, we are gonna be using specially selected Wagyu. Picked this up at Aldi yesterday. We are going to be using 2 cans of our regular Rotel. Then we are going to go with some black olives. The season I'll be using today is called Loco Bueno Cheese Dip Mix, and I picked this up over at J. Will's Cottage Creations. They make some awesome food. They can be found on Facebook. I'll put a link in the description so you can find them. Then we'll be using a block of Velveeta. We'll be using a pound of cheddar cheese and then a Fiesta blend for the rest of the cheese, and we'll get that mixed up together here in just a second. Okay, so all of our ingredients are ready, and we're going to go ahead and start adding them to the pan and get them ready to get out on the smoker. Going to put in our specially selected Wagyu. Just kind of put it over to one corner. Then we will put in our block of Velveeta here. Leave it in one corner. We'll go with our 2 cans of Rotel. And our can of black olives here. We'll add our cheddar. We'll go with the Mexican blend here. And one late decision we made, we're going to go with a block of cream cheese as well. And then last but not least, we'll go with this Loco Bueno cheese dip mix, which is going to make it that much better. Like I said, you guys should head over to their page and give it a look. They have some awesome stuff over there. And we are ready to get this on the pit now. So as you can see, it was time to mix up the ingredients. It seems to be coming along pretty nice, getting a lot of good smoke, so we'll let it go for a little bit longer, come back and check it and see if we're ready to go. so we just pulled this cheese dip off the grill and it looks and smells amazing. We cut up the ingredients, put it in, seasoned it, and we put it on the pit at 200 and let it roll for about 45 minutes. And this is the final result, so there's nothing left to do but to taste it. Wish you were here. Thank y'all for watching.